Hi everyone, let me share my insights on the critical success factors of digital transformation of an organization. So here I am going to talk about 9 critical success factors. The first one is business IT relationship. So when you transform your organization into digital platform, both your IT and business teams should work together as a one team. If your teams can work together as a one team, so you will be benefited more. And the second one is the innovation by experimenting. Most organizations promote innovations. They have their R&D departments to facilitate innovation. So innovation plays a big role in digital transformation. Third one is the organizational culture. If your organization has a supportive culture for digitalization or for the digital transformation, you will get more benefits while transforming into digital platforms. And the next one is experience and intuitive people. So if your organization has very experienced staff, for example, they may be having big experience in accounting, finance, or in some other area. So whatever the experience they have can be used in the digital transformation. So having experienced staff in your organization will give you a more advantage. And the next one is the infrastructure of your organization or the platform. If you have a strong and sophisticated infrastructure, so you will be able to run more systems. You will be able to run more platforms in your infrastructure, facilitating modern day cutting edge technologies. And the next one is transaction security. For example, when you do a e-commerce transaction in a website, you might wonder your transaction is secure or whether it is completed successfully. So therefore you have to make sure the security of the transaction and the security of the customer who is doing the transaction, his confidential data like his name, gender, age, and other sensitive information. The next one is the organizational strategy. If your organization has a separate strategy for IT, gone are the days. Nowadays, IT strategy is embedded in the company's main strategy. So there are no separate IT strategy. The company strategy is embedded in the IT strategy in nowadays. And the next one is the system selection. When you select a system for a particular segment of customers, so to sell a range of products or offer a range of services, so you have to be careful. You have to select more user-friendly systems, more open systems where your developers can develop more on that. So you have to have a good selection when you purchase systems. And the most important factor I think today is the data, because people or the organizations capture a lot of data from various sources. So they have to have a method to capture data. They have to have a good database or a data warehouse to store data, and the organizations can use data analytics and artificial intelligence tools to analyze the data. And most importantly, you have to be careful when you deal with customer sensitive data. You have to protect the data using modern day techniques. Thank you very much.